Do you ever feel like you're studying English, but never have the right words to describe your daily routine? Today, we're changing that. I'm going to show you exactly how to say how often you do things, from 100% to 0%, so you can sound more natural. Today, we're mastering adverbs of frequency. These are the magical little words we use to show exactly how frequently an action happens. Think of these adverbs as a volume slider on your phone, going from something you do every single day to something you never do at all. Let's break them down. Let's start at the top. Always 100%, this is for things you do all the time, no exceptions. I always drink coffee in the morning. That means I drink coffee every morning, no matter what. Normally, usually, 80 to 90%. These are for your strong habits. This means an action happens most of the time, but not necessarily every single day. There might be a rare exception. Their children normally wake up at 7 a.m., but maybe on Sundays they sleep in. Frequently, often, 70%. You do this a lot, much of the time. It's a regular part of your routine, even if it isn't an everyday habit. Saul often goes for a walk in the park. This means going to the park is a very common activity for Saul. Sometimes 50%. Right in the middle, it's a total 50-50th split. This means an action happens some of the time, but not all the time. We sometimes cook dinner at home, and other times we just order food. It depends on the day. Occasionally 30%. This is for actions that happen once in a while. It's not a regular habit, but it happens when the right opportunity comes up. My friends occasionally go to the cinema to see a blockbuster. They don't go every weekend, just when a major movie catches their eye. Seldom, hardly ever, rarely, 10%. These are for actions you almost never do. It is highly unusual for these things to happen. Rebecca hardly ever eats spicy food because her stomach can't handle it. She might eat it a few times a year because she likes the flavor, but her stomach just can't handle it. Never 0%. It means not at any time, 0 times, not even once. Steve never forgets his keys. He's reliable, so his keys are always with him. Now a quick warning. Words like every day, once a week, or twice a year are what we call adverbs of definite frequency. Unlike indefinite adverbs, such as often or occasionally, which usually sit in the middle of the sentence, these definite expressions almost always go at the very end. I exercise every day. I eat a dessert 3 times a week. Keep them at the end to sound natural.